The Aged Care Assessment Service is a totally free government-funded service that assesses the needs of people over 65. Our primary function is to undertake comprehensive assessments to really understand what services a client and their families need in terms of accessing services under the Aged Care Act.
Well, it was mainly your friend, wasn't it, that was in it, and said we should go and find out about it. Well, it was good, and she came fairly soon. It wasn't a long wait. It was a bit of a shock, wasn't it? All of a sudden it happened.
And I think we all felt comfortable. We just sat here and just started asking all the questions.
After we assess them and determine what their needs are, we ask them questions about their medical conditions, how it impacts on their function, how it impacts on daily life, what they have difficulty doing. So we cover a bit of ground first up, and from that we can determine what services they might need. We're a highly experienced team of over 40 assessors from various allied health disciplines, including physiotherapists, occupational therapists, social workers, nurses and speech pathologists.
I think it's good, and the people that have been coming to us have been excellent.
This team is very passionate to advocate for clients, to get them what they're eligible for and entitled to. Our colleagues are also very vocal because they're speaking for those who may not have much of a voice. So they're a voice for those who are a bit more voiceless, unfortunately, for whatever reason, and that's what I really enjoy about the team.